Manila's style. Gates open, they're up and racing. Manila's style draws for your lead. Bullseye moving up by the rail. Is step up, running in between runners. Guided missile by the rail. Then Nori outside just like 8, followed by Sunday Street Presidential. Lord Gold second last, well, Dayang is running at the tail of the field past the last 900. Bullseye, Manila's style is on the outside, is step up. Moving up in between runners, then racing in fourth with a gap of 5 lengths. Is entry number 7, just like 8. Lord Gold comes next, then followed over by the rail by entry number 6, Thrill of Victory. Then comes Guided Missile, Sunday Street Presidential, and Dayang still in behind them as they race at a final corner. Manila's style leading the field, running by the rail is step up. Lord Gold is in third with the last 200 meters more to race. It's Manila's style by about 3 lengths. Running in second by the rail is step up. Lord Gold is on the outside with 75 to go. Manila's style over Lord Gold is step up. And finally, Manila's style, Lord Gold close between Thrill of Victory, step up, and just like it for your Pentafecta.
8